Simple towel embroidery is also called small towel embroidery. Its characteristics are that the embroidery has a strong three-dimensional sense and firmness. Simple towel embroidery is essentially different from ordinary chain towel embroidery in needlework. It is mainly completed by lock embroidery, which makes the embroidery quality firm, will not fall off, and has a strong three-dimensional sense. With flat embroidery, the embroidery efficiency of the simple towel embroidery machine is high. Compared with the high cost of the chain towel embroidery machine, the simple towel embroidery machine model has a smaller investment and is suitable for various embroidery production, enriching the variety and improving the aesthetics. This section briefly introduces simple towel embroidery. First click Insert Image File. Find a simple picture to open. Adjust it to the appropriate size. First adjust the size of the picture. Then use Complex Fill. Trace along the outline of the picture first. Then, enter, and enter, the stitches are generated. Click Select Object and change the stitch type to Towel 2. Here, the spacing, stitch, bottom stitch, and edge spacing can be modified according to actual needs, and then click Apply. Then click Show Bitmap to have a look. Select the Reshape Object tool and adjust the entrance and exit. This is the exit, and this is the entrance. The stitches are generated and then use Slow Display to check its simulated embroidery process. The stitches of a simple towel embroidery of a heart pattern are generated. Finally, let's take a look at the effects of some of the pictures we made before. This is the combination of simple towel embroidery and flat embroidery. Simulate the embroidery process. The inside of this rabbit is all made of simple towel embroidery, as well as the part of this moon. This combination of simple towel embroidery and flat embroidery will make the image more three-dimensional.